Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, electronic stability control, security system, CD player, compass, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, overhead console, day and night rear view mirror, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.